How to remove ads in Zedge using subscription plan. First of all, open the Zedge app on your device and tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, on your profile page, look for the Zedge Plus or Remove Ads option. Once you find it, tap on the View Offer button. This will take you to the subscription plan details where you can explore the available options. You will see different subscription plans such as weekly or lifetime. Choose the one that best suits your needs and tap on the Continue or Subscribe. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase using your preferred payment method such as Google Pay, credit card, or any other options available. After the payment is successfully completed, your Zedge app will instantly switch to an ad-free experience. That means no more pop-ups or video ads while browsing wallpapers, ringtones, or notification sounds. Along with removing ads, you will also unlock access to premium content including exclusive wallpapers and tones that are only available to subscribers. Now you know how to remove ads in Zedge using the subscription plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.